Welcome back. It seems that Panji police involved in Cipriano death will be in trouble. The autopsy report has revealed 6 injuries on head and body of Cipriano, but cause of death is reserved by the GMC. Meanwhile, Goa police have appointed DYSP Bosuet Silva as a special gazetted officer to investigate the case.
GMC on Thursday submitted autopsy report of Cipriano to Panji STM Sabaji Shetty. At the same time, one copy is sent to National Human Rights Commission. The autopsy has shown 6 injuries on Cipriano's head and body. The viscera has been sent to Hyderabad for chemical analysis.
Postmortem report itself is not conclusive with it because cause of death is not clearly given. They are waiting for the viscera analysis. So only once the panel of doctors certifies the cause of death, then itself anything can be said about the injuries or cause of death or any circumstances that led to death. So unless the final death report is given by the panel of doctors, it is too premature to say anything about the death.
Meanwhile, Goa police on Friday appointed DYSP Bosuet Silva as special gazetted officer to inquire into the custodial death of Cipriano. He will also conduct inquiry into the police procedure and misconduct. Silva will submit the report to North Goa SP Arvind Gaus.
State Police Complaint Authority has also taken a suo motu cognizance. They are also conducting inquiry. And the truth will come out finally at the end of the inquiries.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Former President of India Dr. Abdul Kalam and Tibetan leader Dalai Lama will be the highlight of this year's DD Kosambi Festival of Ideas. Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar, Lord Meghnad Desai, Dr. Karan Singh and Justice Albie Sachs are the other prominent personalities who will deliver lectures in this festival.
This is the 4th edition of DD Kosambi Festival of Ideas. It will be held at Kala Academy from 5th to 10th February. Schedule of lectures is as follows. 5th February, Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar. 6th February, Dr. APJ Kalam. 7th February, Dalai Lama. 8th February, Lord Meghnad Desai. 9th February, Justice Albie Sachs. 10th February, Dr. Karan Singh. Directorate of Art and Culture organizes this Festival of Ideas.
DD Kosambi Festival of Ideas सुरू करपा फाटलो उद्देश असो की जगभरच्या मान्यवर इंटेलेक्चुअल लोकांचे विचार गोंयच्या लोकांक आयकुपाक मेळचे, चड करून ते कॉलेज विद्यार्थ्यां पर्यंत पावचे आणि ही नामनेची व्यक्तिमत्व आसात तांचे कडेन संवाद साधपाचो एक योग जुळून येवचो असो ह्या फाटलो उद्देश आसा. कला आणि संस्कृती खातें फक्त DD कोसंबी फेस्टिवल आयडियाज पुरतेच न्ही तर सगळी ज्यो कार्यावळी करतात ताज्यो आमी फीडबॅक घेतात लोकां कडल्यान वेगवेगळ्या लेवलीचेर घेतात आणि दर वर्सा ताजो रिव्यू करून चडांत चड कंटिन्युअल इम्प्रूवमेंट दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसता आणि अशे आमचे अनेक सजेशन्स येतात. त्या सजेशनांतल्यान आमी अनेक नवी नांवां DD कोसंबी फेस्टिवल ऑफ आयडियाज खातीर अनेक नवी नांवांय सोदपाचो यत्न करतात. हिज होलिनेस दलाई लामा, APJ अब्दुल कलाम अशें अनेक लोकांनी सजेस्ट केल्ल्यान आमी तांकां एप्रोच जावन आज ते हांगा पावतात.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
A huge crowd, dole and sky-high Rath. The annual Jatra of Shantadurga Kukalkarin at Fatorpa concluded with Rath on Thursday. This is the major attraction of the Jatra. Thousands of devotees flocked there from all over the country.
ह्या जात्रेक कर्नाटकासान महाराष्ट्रा आणि गोंयचे लोक सुद्दां ह्या जात्रेक लाखांनी लोक हाजीर लावले आणि ह्या जात्रेची आमची शोभा वाडयली. आणि ह्या जात्रेक आमकां सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंट म्हणल्यार पुलीस दल, अग्निशामक दल, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंट, PW डिपार्टमेंट आणि कलेक्टर, मामलेदार हांचे आमकां खूब सहकार दिले तेमी.
हांगा सगळ्या जातीच्या धर्माच्या लोकांक एकवटान एका रेस्पेदान आनी एका मनान मान दिल्लो जाता. आमच्या चारी आणि चितारी समाजाचे लोक हे रथ घडटात, रथाचे रंगोटी करतात आणि रथ ओडपाक तांचे सहाय्य आसता. यंदाच्या जत्रोत्सवाक भक्तांनी जी मागणी देवी कडेन केली की गोंयांक तशेंच देशाक शांती, सुख, समाधान लाभो.
A reporter from Fatarpa, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Disability Rights Association of Goa has asked for a forgery case against the Social Welfare Minister Sudhin Davlikar. They claim that Davlikar has committed a fraud while awarding state award for the best employee in the orthopedic handicapped category for the year 2010. The association says it has been awarded to the person who is not fitting in the criteria of the awards.
We have demanded that action should be taken against the Minister of Social Justice, Mr. Sudhin Davlikar, as he is the chairperson of the screening committee for the selection of these awards. Yes, we have also made a letter to the Secretary of Social Welfare demanding the revocation of the state award for Mrs. Harsha Joshi and to give it to a deserving disabled person who meets the conditions of the scheme for these awards.
Mangesh Kurtikar had also applied for this award. Mangesh says that he has more qualification and experience than the person who has been awarded with the award. Disability Act of 1995 defines a disabled person as who has 40% or more disability. Harsha Joshi, who has been awarded 2010 award, is only 36% disabled, while Mangesh is 50% disabled. Mangesh feels it is an injustice and he is upset with the government.
ते B.Com आसा, जशें हांव B.Com आसा, ते 3 years experience आहा, हांव 9 years experience आनी आउटस्टँडिंग परफॉर्मन्स हांव इंटरनॅशनल स्पोर्ट्समॅन प्लस हांव एडवेंचर आसा, ट्रेनिंग आसा, म्हाका आमचे टेलरिंग आसा आनी एग्रीकल्चर ट्रेनिंग लिडरशीप ही भरपूर म्हाजी इंटरनॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल स्पोर्ट्समॅन जावन आसा आनी तरी आसतना म्हाका हो एवॉर्ड मेळूंक ना म्हणून हांव अपसेट आसा.
They have submitted a letter to PI of Panji, Sandesh Chodankar, requesting him to file a forgery case against the chairman of Screening Committee and Social Welfare Minister Sudhin Davlikar. Chodankar says that he will investigate into the matter.
की डिजर्विंग कॅन्डिडेटाक स्टेट अवॉर्ड मेळोंक ना म्हणून आतांच ताणें कंप्लेंट फायल केल्या आनी आमी पळयता कितें आसा भितर. प्लेन रिडिंगान तरी कॉग्निजिबल ऑफेन्स जाला असो दिसना, तरी आसतना ताणें डॉक्युमेंट अटॅच केला, त्या खातीर इन्क्वायरी करता आमी.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.